Hi friends, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Can you solve this question? This question is very easy but a bit tricky. Okay guys, in the wrong way of solving this question, some people don't pay attention to the priority of the mathematical operations. They start from the left and simplify. 18 divided by 2 equals 9, then 9 divided by 3, then times 3. After that, they do this multiplication and simplify the question. Finally, they divided 9 by 9 and they say the final answer of this question is 1. But it's definitely wrong. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Don't forget, the multiplication and division have the same priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify. Okay guys, let's solve this question step by step together. First, we simplify the parentheses. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 18 divided by 2, then divided by 3. After that, multiplied by 3. In this step, because we have division and multiplication, we start from the left and simplify. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Now we have a new expression, 9 divided by 3, then times 3. Again, we have multiplication and division and we start from the left and simplify. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And 3 times 3 equals 9, and we get the final answer of this question. Final answer is 9. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.